taking a close look at the new version of the ProClip Mighty Mouse powered phone charger mount. Let's get into it. Welcome everyone to the Derbzilla channel, and for today I'm taking another look at the ProClip phone mounting solution for your vehicles. ProClip is a super versatile two-part system. One part is based on the vehicle that you own that you'll be mounting your device. The second portion is actually based on your device and your requirements. Do you want a phone holder that can charge wirelessly or plugged in, or do you want a phone holder that can actually simply just hold your phone? This is the ProClip system from my wife's 2019 Ford Mustang. We put this in her car about a year ago, a little over a year. Check out the install video up here if interested on installing a ProClip system in your S550 Mustang. Now, this system has been fantastic. Almost perfect, but not quite. This is version 1 of ProClip's Mighty Mount wireless charging solution. I did have some minor issues with it. It's always charged perfectly. It's never, once you kind of dial in what angle you want, it's held perfectly, holds the phone fine. It takes abuse, kids banging on it, flopping around, putting their phones on it, no problems. It's always charged, and it's charged quite well. I believe it's 15 watts, so it's not maximum charging speed, but it's quite quick. Now, as I mentioned, it's almost perfect, but not quite. If you notice on the Mighty Mount, if we can get this thing to focus, we have these rubber bumpers. There's one here, and there's none here. Originally, this had 2. And it looked much cleaner. They fell off in this super hot Texas sun. It's 100+ degrees during the summer, and these bad boys fell off. Both of them actually fell off at different times. I epoxied them on. That's why it's kind of ugly here, kind of sloppy here. It held for a few more months, and then this one fell off again and disappeared into, I don't know, wherever the socks are kept when they disappear. It probably went there, and yeah, so you can still kind of hold your phone in place without the bumpers, but it's not great. It might slip. It has fallen off the mount, and so I actually reached out to ProClip, mentioned my issues, and they said, this is version 1 of the Mighty Mount. They have a new version 2. I guess it's not labeled version 2 on their website in the configurator. It's what you're going to get if you get the Mighty Mount, and this is the new upgraded Mighty Mount from ProClip. When you order this Mighty Mount from them with the wireless charging, you're going to get this version. This is no longer offered, and so I'm going to unbox this. We're going to take a look what the difference is, may or may not be, and we're going to see how this bad boy performs. I'm going to take a look at hopefully the bumper option or problem is resolved. These aren't going to fall off in the heat. Now, of course, if you're living in a normal place that's not Texas hot, Arizona hot, or whatever, this probably would never be an issue. But they did want to upgrade this, so this is the upgraded option, and this is what we're going to be looking at. I'm actually going to then remove the old mount, which is what's great about the ProClip mounting solution is, if you upgrade your device to something that happens to not fit, you don't have to buy a new car mount, and the device mount, you can order just one or the other. You can actually then unbolt this one, remove it, put your new device on, or if you get a new car, just swap out the car mount portion, bolt it on. You can keep the charging portion and save yourself some money. And of course, this is a much more sturdy, more of almost a permanent solution versus something like a suction cup or those little sticky ones you just stick on your dashboard. It looks a lot cleaner, looks a lot better, typically lasts much longer. I mean, pretty much this part is going to last as long as the car. I mean, maybe the car gets caught in a hurricane or something. This will probably still survive right here. This portion maybe not, but this portion for sure will. But yeah, so what we're going to look at is we're going to unbox this, we're going to compare them, we're going to get this installed in the car, and we're going to go from there. This is what you receive from ProClip when you select the Mighty Mount option for your device. And this actually will fit pretty much any phone of any reasonable size and not in one of those giant. So if you get like the 14 Max with the rugged off-road case, I don't believe this will actually fit that, but pretty much anything short of that should fit in the Mighty Mount that you see here. Now, you actually will receive a additional little package with the Mighty Mount, and this piece right here is what we're going to be using to actually mount the mounting mount to the car mount portion of the ProClip. So we have this with some additional hardware, a little Allen key or whatever in there, and then we have the mighty mount. We'll go ahead and get this unboxed, and we're gonna see what all we got in this case here, and then we can get this all assembled. The new Mighty mount is unboxed, and I actually have the original version, or at least the previous version, right here next to it. And of course, the car mount portion right here, actually already moved the mount. Super easy. You have a locking lug. You loosen it up right here. And then this is just a ball socket, and it comes off like so. We move that out of the way and kind of show you just a side-by-side comparison. The new version has almost a textured look to it, whereas the previous version is kind of a glossy look. The thickness, they're pretty close. I think the new one may be slightly thicker, very close. Then you have a few extra things up here. It's a little bit bulkier up here. Has the same mounting solution, of course. Has the same little swing out arms, it looks like. Yeah, they pull down like so. You swing them out like that, and it can actually hold your phone from maybe coming loose on big bumps or whatever. Gets a little extra support, even though the arms themselves typically are strong enough to hold it in place. This is just an extra layer of protection, because you don't want your phone to go flying off when you're ramping Dukes of Hazzard style over a canyon or whatever. But overall, the shape, it's slightly bigger, maybe slightly heavier. This kind of shows you where the touch sensor is, the smart touch sensor. So this will actually detect when your phone's laid on it, and the arms will actually will clasp down automatically, typically without having to hit the button. Looks like the button is, it sticks out a little bit further, easier to manipulate, probably if you need to, kind of reach for it while driving. If you're not taking your eyes off the road, you can click it a little bit easier than this more recessed button. And then we can show you kind of how it operates. I have a cable here on my workbench. You plug it in. This is the previous version. Hit the little clasping arm. Typically, it'll detect and automatically shut like so, and it starts charging. So this is the previous one, so it works fine. As you notice, it is missing the little bumper here. Now you hit the button, opens up the arms, remove your phone. That simple. Now, go ahead and unplug it. We'll plug in the new Mighty mount. Glows very similar. It's doing some kind of, it actually makes a beeping sound. So the new one makes a beeping sound. Maybe this is searching. Probably need to look at the manual. But so this, I believe, searches. Maybe it looks like it might adjust the charging point. We'll see if it detects my phone. I have the sticker on there, so maybe I need to remove that. Oh, it went ahead and locked it down. So now it sounds like it's actually automatically adjusting, perhaps to, yes, it automatically adjusts to your phone, and then it just starts charging. Mine is charging. So that is a new feature with the new version. We'll open that up. And if you recall, the previous version, you had to manually slide this little slider. This one, I guess if you're running multiple different phones, sizes and shapes, it should automatically change its position and lock in the optimal charging position based on your phone, which is super cool. That's a nice upgrade. I'm not so sure about the beeping sound. It's not super loud, but I mean, it might be annoying if you're always changing phones out. Now, one thing I did notice is the rubber arms look to be almost identical. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not sure what adhesive they use, but this is definitely glued in place. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. Does this hold up to that Texas heat? It sounded like they enhanced it a little bit to be more durable in higher temperatures. But until you're in 100+ degrees consecutively, multiple days in a row, we won't know for sure if this holds up. So if you are also in a super hot area, super hot climate, keep an eye on these. If they fall off, don't lose it, because you can always glue it back on with some high temp epoxy and be good for another half year to a year before you have to worry about it again. If you lose it, then I don't know if they sell replacements. ProClip was super nice. I actually reached out to them and they sent me this entire replacement unit because they don't sell this one anymore. Instead of sending me just rubber bumpers, which I had actually asked for, they actually said, we'll send you a whole new replacement. Sorry for your trouble. Here you go. And these things run about $100 when not on sale for just this actual device right here. That's super nice of them. And that's another reason why I wanted to put this video together, just to show, you know, what you get when you get the Mighty Mount portion of the ProClip versus the old version. It definitely seems, you know, it looks a little bit cleaner. I like the more almost rugged look of the back plate, and I do like how this auto adjusts. So I'm gonna go ahead and we can get this thing assembled onto the new, or actually the old car mount portion. We're gonna go ahead and typically I could just loosen this lug and slap it on there, but I'm gonna take a look. I don't know, do I want to switch it with this one? Because it has nice little ProClip lettering on it. The old one, you know, not quite as fancy, just got some cheap writing. This one's all colored. So I think I'm gonna actually swap these boys over, and then we're gonna go with this one, even though, I mean, I don't need to, but I'll show you the process for that. The two actual mounts and interface ball joints here, and like I said, it's this actually feels maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit heavier. It looks pretty close, hard to tell. I do like the little bit different lettering, and the logo looks nicer. I wish they put it maybe down here. I don't know if you can see that, because it's going to be sitting in your car like this and having it kind of sideways. I don't know, it just minor detail. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this attached like so, and it will be good to get the new Mighty Mount locked in place. The adapter is solidly in place with the new freshened up little logo text here. And to actually install your Mighty Mount to it, super easy. You have this lug, kind of just lay that over the ball joint, and then it just snaps in place like so. And then you're gonna then just kind of adjust it. Once you're in the car and you have this actually, you know, lined up how you like it, you kind of just adjust this to, you know, orient the phone or whatever towards you, or however you want to see it. And then once you get it locked into place, you can just screw in your little lug here. So let's get this. You don't want to cross thread anything, but let's go ahead and get that screwed in. And okay, I guess it, oddly enough, it seems to hold a charge for some period of time after you disconnect it from a power source, and you can still open and close it, which the old version doesn't do that. So if your phone is in there and you power it off and you didn't forget to open, maybe it doesn't open up, but this one still has enough charge to open and close it a number of times, so your phone's not going to be stuck in here. You're not going to have to pry it off or anything like that. So that's cool. A new feature, another new feature with the new version of the Mighty Mount. So that looks pretty good. And yeah, so then you would pretty much want to take it out to the car, get it lined up, do your final adjustments. Check out the full video if you want to see the exact details. Video should still be up here for installing this in the Mustang, but the process is for any car really is going to be pretty much the same. You're going to get a mount based on your car. It just clips on. There's a little bit of, like, you know, almost like a rubbery material here to help keep it from slipping, and up here. And then you have these little lips, and it usually goes between some of your trim or whatever, and it kind of snaps into place. I'm not going to show the full install of this because I already have a video for that. And we're just looking at this specific version of the Mighty Mount for ProClip. Check out the full video if you want to see the full installation. And yeah, so I will get this out in the car. We'll test how it goes. If I have any issues, I'll report back and I'll pin the comment. But as always, ProClip, top notch. I mean, they just get better, they improve, they see minor issues, they improve on them with different iterations and a bunch of new features with the new Mighty Mount. I definitely like this. I know my wife will enjoy this. I'm going to have to keep an eye on these bumpers. I wish this was a slightly different option or something. These bumpers were done slightly differently because I am worried that these might come undone. And even if it might take 6 months to a year in the heat, I mean, for people who aren't in the super hot climates, it might last forever. For me, I have a feeling these will come off again unless they change up the adhesive to more of a high temp. I will report back with a pinned comment on that if these fail. Yeah, we'll see. So I'll let you guys know. Shout out to ProClip for providing me this replacement when I did have issues with this one. So super cool. Just for losing the bumper, they gave me this whole replacement. Awesome customer service. They've always been super responsive to anything I've had, any questions I've had. And I definitely recommend you guys check this out. Inside of my wife's Mustang, the ProClip is installed. You can see here, it just snaps over between two of your vents. You can either go right here or go right here. I went over here just because the cable management. Now you can actually get those little cable runner 3M pieces that kind of just let you run your cable however you want or tug it up here. For right now, I'm just going to let it hang because I'll let my wife figure out how she wants to run her cables. But of course, you have the mount here, powered on. You actually can touch it to open it, like so. I guess not to close it, but I think it has to detect a phone to actually close. But if you want to easily open it without searching for the button, you just kind of push it on here, opens up, take your phone, locks into place, and of course it starts charging. Super simple, awesome setup. And as you notice, you know, kind of show you here is if I'm, you know, driving, and then we're going to look this way, and then there's your phone, and you can angle it however you like. Rock solid. Go over, you know, railroad tracks. You can, like I mentioned previously, anything short of, you know, a canyon jump, it should stay in place, and it doesn't wobble. It's not going to be sitting there vibrating because the mount is super solid. You know, some of the cheaper ones, you're driving, the phone's just kind of flopping around, holding on to dear life. Nope, not with this. Rock solid. And of course, if you want to remove it, you just hit the button, pull your phone out, and it auto will retract after you remove the phone. I guess it can detect the removal of a power device or whatever, and it pulls the arms back in. And as I mentioned earlier, here's a little feet that give it a little extra stability from sliding out on, you know, real big off-roading or whatever. But yeah, my wife is going to be extremely happy having this set up back into her car with the full grip potential return, because she did run it for a few months, even missing one of the rubber bumpers. It still held it. You just couldn't have it lean forward or it might slip out. As long as it was kind of, you know, neutral or lean back just a little bit, it still held it in place, even missing one of the bumpers. That's how good the grip arms are. Still charge it fine. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get back inside the garage and wrap this one up. That concludes my look at the updated version of the ProClip Mighty Mount phone holder. If I notice any issues from the new updated version of the Mighty Mount, I'll report with a pinned comment, so keep an eye out for that. Overall, I don't foresee any problems, but I will keep an extra close eye on those side bumpers. Hopefully, they have a revised adhesive and they do not experience any issues with this Texas heat. If you guys like the video, feel free to like, share, comment, all that fun stuff. Subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.